This is going to be a video tutorial on how to download a picture from Google Drive to your iPhone. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but this should work the same on pretty much any iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you'll need to do is open up Google Drive, of course. I have mine in a folder. Right there's Google Drive. I'm going to tap on it. Now you'll have to locate the image or picture that you want to download. I'm going to scroll down to find it. Right there is the picture that I'm going to download. It's a PNG file. First thing you need to do is tap on it. Tap on that file. And then you will tap and hold on the picture to where that dialog box there comes up. And then you want to press, you want to tap on OK. Now I'm going to back out of this. The picture will have saved to your photos. So I'm going to go to my photos. Right up here is my photos. I'm going to tap on that. And right there is my image in Recents. I'm going to tap on Recents. And right down here in the lower right hand corner is the image that I just downloaded from Google Drive. That is how you download a picture from Google Drive using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.